Hello and welcome. This is Minister Cynthia Moore. Let's dive into the Restoring Traumatized Soul Mission Manual. In Chapter 1, with much excitement, I'd like to give you a brief introduction of the Restoring Traumatized Soul Ministry Manual. First, let me give you a definition of systemically inflicted racial trauma. Systemically inflicted racial trauma it's the emotional, psychological, and spiritual harm caused by long-standing systems that discriminate against Black people through unjust policies, practices, and institutions. It is not the result of one event, but an entire structure that shapes generations. Historically, the small Black Baptist Church has been a sacred refuge, a place where truth can be spoken, dignity affirmed, and healing nurtured through a community, as well as prayer and pastoral care. Psalm 9 through 10, which is a foundational scripture, reminds us that the Lord also will be a refuge for the oppressed. This is our grounding ministry scripture. This manual provides a step-by-step guide for launching and sustaining the Restoring Traumatized Soul ministry with cultural rooted teaching, tools, and support. So let's get the word out. Surveys can be sent out to see what is needed and get the conversation started. There are examples in this manual to guide you in determining your choice. Our foundation is now set, and I'll see you in chapter 2.